Now, how did you connect your mobile phone to the presentation? Because there you're obviously interfacing with Windows itself. You're not interfacing necessarily with just your own software. So what is the trick about that you have created something on the mobile and then made it interface with the Windows?
Okay. The first thing, when you're connecting with the phone, you are supposed to first of all look at ways in which you can either use a network. There are two types of networks which you can use in Android. Actually three. You can use the internet. I can use the Bluetooth, and then I can use wireless network through server socket programming. So the first one, the internet will find since I require fast responses, the internet normally it has to send to the server, and then the server does the response, so it will be very slow. And then you have the Bluetooth. Bluetooth you can use to connect to their devices. Actually it's the best, but my laptop doesn't have Bluetooth, so I will we have Wi-Fi. So I'm using Wi-Fi. And when I connect via Wi-Fi, I'm supposed to also create a server which will respond to whatever the phone is sending. And when I'm at let's say I'm at the computer, I'm supposed to create a class which mimics the keyboard, something like that. So for example, if I move my phone like this, I'm not supposed to go to all that details of my coding. I'm just supposed to mimic the left event. Like when I come here, nikifinya this is right, it goes forward. So I'm just supposed to mimic those keys. Sio rocket science, ni rahisi. Sio rahisi.
So when you talk about mimic, you're talking about that you're using that class which intercepts inside of the keyboard interface in the computer and presents whatever you send as an event as if it was keyed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, it's a virtual keyboard.
Yeah. And which of these devices, if you talk about that, then you're also beginning to have virtual devices to add to these other things, because then you're actually able to impose, pretend that there's a device doing something the way you're doing it.
You can, this one was a simple demonstration. You can use you can mimic the keyboard. You can also, there are classes in Java for that. You can also mimic the mouse and things.
So if I understand you right, if for instance the guys in here wanted to spend some extra time, they could mimic the mouse and make you move the mouse by moving the Android phone in the air, and then if you shake it a bit, it resembles clicking.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.